Chinito Runners muna tayo for today.
It's currently 4:31 AM. Wala pang araw.
First time namin mag 10 kilometers, wala pa kami tulog.
No training rin. So like, this is the McDonald's Stripe Run 2025. Tara, let's do this.
Comment down below sila yung fastest Chinito Runner guys. Are we guys ready to run? Hindi.
Hindi, pero...
Ready na matulog po eh.
Okay po, late na po kami. 10 p.m. Hi po, good luck po. Let's go! Alright guys, we're officially starting right now. We've been walking for 1 year guys. Basic lang to sa atin.
We're pacing ourselves para sila nauna na.
Naka 10 minutes na guys. This is escape now. Grabe, sobrang nakapagod pala. I think they're behind me right now. Pero it's fun running alone.
Still pacing ourselves, guys. You're even an Aaron out of sight na. 1 km down, guys. So far, feeling good naman. They don't know us, son. They've been talking.
Big son! Yeah!
We're picking up the pace, guys. Touching up on Aaron right now. Closing in on Aaron.
Water break out there, one. CCP counter. Graduating there one day. 30 minutes in.
Ihing-ihi na ako. Tunga ko ng CR. Ihing-ihi na kami tatlo pero tumatakbo pa rin kami. So 24 minutes in, guys. I'm all alone now. Dahil lang sa CR break.
Ayaw na tumakbo. Dito walkers na.
Okay.
Medyo lonely yung feeling. Daming tao dito with their kids, with their pets, with their friends. I don't know where my friends are. Pero okay lang, focus tayo sa goal.
Just wanna highlight how sulit ng price ng Stripe Run is. It's not only just for mga adults, but it's for mga kids and pets also. So bring all of them along.
Ayoko na. Lakad na lang. So fulfilling. Currently waiting for the boys right now.
Next year, triathlon.
Next year, 1 hour na lang.
Marathon, triathlon, Megatron.
Hello?
Thank you so much, Macdo. Stripes Run, sobrang organized ng event.
Solid yung Fun Village Run, like sobrang smooth. Nothing went wrong.
Per mo, after 10 km, parang pogi pa rin.
Uy,
Ito yung final times namin.
ito yun, guys. Ito yung final time. Tapos end with na. See you at the McDo Stripes Run next year.
Alright, lakad na tayo mo to DLSU.
Yun na kayo.
Tara, lakad na tayo pabalik. Alright guys, let's go.